In this video we will learn how to measure voltage and current flow through this simple circuit with a LED and a resistor, and we learn how to correctly connect the LED in this circuit. So the multimeter is a very important component in electronics. With it we can measure voltage, AC voltage, current flow, and resistance. The LED is a component that can handle a voltage drop around 2 volts and a current flow maximum around 20 milliamps, but it is not good to always put through it 20 milliamps because it can overheat and then go dead. To limit the voltage on the LED and the current flow, because we cannot just connect it to a 9-volt battery. Firstly, my battery, because I've used it for some time, is now a little bit weak and it's around 8 volts on it now. So we will use a resistor in series, and that resistor will need to take 6 volts, and because the diode needs 2 volts. We will calculate that with the Ohm's law, and we will get a value of around 300 ohms, and we will use a resistor about 330 ohms. So to measure voltage, we set the range on the multimeter on 20 volts. When we are measuring voltage, we are connecting the leads in parallel with the component on what we are measuring the voltage drop. So we can see that the voltage is around 1.8 volts. Very simple. The circuit is very simple. As you can see, the minus goes through the resistor to the cathode of the diode, the anode goes to plus, and then we connected the circuit. So to measure current flow, we set up the range on the multimeter on 200, but we can set it also on 20 milliamps because we put it a little bit bigger resistor and my battery is a little bit weak. So to measure current flow, we need to cut off the circuit and to connect it in series with the instrument. So we complete the circuit with these two leads. So now we put the plus into the plus rail and we connect the anode of the diode with the minus. And the circuit is now complete. The diode lights up and the current is around 9 milliamps. So the battery is quite weak at the moment and we are not getting full power of it, but it is enough to light up the diode and for us to measure the current flow. Of course, the LED can be brighter. We just need a bigger battery maybe, or we can put a resistor with smaller resistance. So that was it for this video. To stay tuned and see my next videos, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.